So did you know that you can generate AI captions with Snapchat Plus? So Snapchat Plus is a premium subscription which you can just upgrade. So you can just generate this caption for your snaps. To generate an AI caption, tap T on the preview screen to add a caption to your snap. Then tap this magic icon, and then yeah, that's how you can create uh, um, these AI captions. So let's try it out just as an example. So here, and then I just tap T, and then somewhere here I should see it. I don't see it right now. Don't know what's the issue is there. I can just tag someone, but um, so yeah, probably it doesn't work that well yet, but it should be somewhere here. No, that's just retouch. Um, so yeah, anyhow, but you should find it out somewhere here. Maybe it's just not available in my country or something is happening. But yeah, it should be somewhere here. Please leave it in the comments where it's available for you.